영종 브릿지.
This is the bridge of famous bridge in Incheon,
In the world also, look.
in the world.
107 meter high diamond watch there.
Diamond shaped structure meaning 5,000 tons.
Like the very high technology construction.
Yeah. As you can see, hub up and hub down. Yeah. It's before you enter in Incheon, you will pass by here, right? Like this. During nighttime, it's so pretty.
Built like that.
So we're here up in the sky. As you can see.
Make electronic.
Yeah. And here's the bridge.
Start.
Yeah. And the
This
sea.
is ocean. This is ocean.
Ocean. Wow.
There are Incheon Airport and Yeongjongdo. Can you see?
Oh, I can see the bird.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, as you can see, it's so pretty here.
But cold now.
Yeah, it's cold because it's going to winter. And this month is autumn. Oh, this is the Yeongjong Bridge. Oh God, it's so nice. So scary.
Why are you scary?
Because in my country, not like this.
Maybe around 7 kilometers.
Oh, it's too long. Oh God.
Let's go.
Let's go to real bike.
Let's go.
It's freezing. I'm wearing gloves.
You're wearing glove and jacket.
Winter jacket. Because it's really freezing. So we're here now. How was your real bear? Oh, this is the view.
No, wait. Glove.
Oh, we're going now. Look at the view. It's so pretty, guys. Look at the view. It's so pretty.
I'm tired.
Oh, so pretty.
Oh, too tired. Wow, look at the ocean. So clean and so peaceful.
Yeah. It makes people release the stress. Woo!
My stress?
Go.
Do you know my stress?
What's your stress?
It's you.
Shut up. Yangjung Bridge. So nice. As you can see, Yangjung
Daniel
Bridge.
sleeping?
Yeah, Daniel's sleepy. He's tired. Whew. It's so tired. Yeah. I thought it's automatic, but you have to do it by yourself. So we're arrived at the shore area. So the real vibe is just
Oh,
sea
shark,
viewing.
shark, 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 shark!
What?
Someone help me!
Oh, we're eaten by sharks.